Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You, and various other nicknames and aliases. And today I'm inking this drawing by Michael Lagocki of Jasper and Gabriella. So yeah, this is the first Lagocki drawing that I've inked in about 20 years. It's really been about that long. So needless to say, I was pretty nervous to get started. We've talked recently a lot about this pen that I'm using here, the Sharpie S-Gel, and I decided to go with this one rather than the kind of traditional crow quill and brush that I would have done for these characters in the old days because I was pretty nervous about inking on top of his drawing. And he told me to be bold and just go for it. And so I one night just got the pen out and decided to do that. He said he made it just for me to ink, so that was a pretty cool thing. And so hopefully I did okay. At this point in the drawing, I think I'm still pretty nervous and still trying to, find my way with this pen and just try to do it some justice. But I didn't do a lot of the splattering that I would have done as well. So it's this is a little more. It's a little tighter pencils than he would have done in the days. So we're both kind of tightening it up, I think, and hopefully it comes together well. It's definitely. I mean, I have to say I like this drawing a lot. He was working on it here. I didn't see what he was doing until it was done, and I looked over and I was like, "Oh wow, look at that!" I mean, it really brought together a lot of the elements from this comic book. This is from an unpublished work we did about 20 years ago called Post, and I'll probably be doing a whole video just about that, so I don't want to say too much about it right now. But anyways, let's kick back and see how the rest of this goes. we're coming up on the end of another video. I'm mostly happy that I didn't mess up this drawing too bad. I feel okay. I was happy to be back with Gok working on these characters again. It's a lot of fun, so much fun. Here's our final product, Jasper and Gabriella, and then the land of Post behind them. We had a good time with this one, Internet. Hope you did too. Until next time, I'm drawn to you.